In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam mobile tools. We're going to focus on securing your account with SteamGuard using the Steam mobile app. This is an important step because it adds an extra layer of protection to your account, helping keep your games, purchases, and account access safe. To get started, download the Steam mobile app on your phone if you haven't already, then open it. Once you're inside the app, look along the bottom of the screen and tap the shield icon. This is where the SteamGuard security features are located. After that, select Add Authenticator. This begins the setup process that links your phone to your Steam account for added security. When prompted, enter your phone number carefully. Make sure it's a number you can access right away, since Steam will send a verification code to confirm it's really you. Next, type in the verification code sent to your phone. Be sure to enter it exactly as received so the setup can continue without issues. If the code doesn't arrive immediately, give it a moment and double-check that your phone number was entered correctly. Once verification is complete, Steam will show you a recovery code. This part is extremely important. Write down the recovery code and store it somewhere safe. This code can help unlock your account if you ever lose your phone or can't access the app. It's best to keep it in a secure place that you'll remember, but not somewhere easily lost. After you've saved that code, your SteamGuard mobile authenticator is set up and helping protect your account. Keeping this feature enabled is one of the simplest ways to improve your account security and reduce the risk of unauthorized access.